Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. About this one we can put like this. Next, because we have the power number 5 and the power number 5, so we can put this one go inside in here. So we have like this. So this one that is about tan x. This one we have number 1. This one we can transform secant of s square. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan s plus number 1. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one that is about u. This one that is about du. And now we have the final answer. About u that is about tan s plus number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.